Hey, what's going on, everybody? My name is Dylan. You guys are chilling with Dylan, and today we got another unboxing. Alrighty guys, before we get started in today's video, make sure you guys are smashing that like button. Please subscribe to the channel if you are new around here. And also don't forget to click the bell so that way every time I upload one of these videos, you're going to get notified. And this is just going to be a quick little unboxing video for you guys. If you saw my last video, you saw me unbox the other part of the pack right here. So this is obviously the HUF Nike Air Max 1 pack. The very first video that I did was on the pear green and or anthracite and medium gray. This pair right here was the second most limited pair, and it is the orange. So obviously same box as what you got on the pear green pair, and label reads Nike Air Max 1 SP, anthracite and brilliant orange. Like I said, this is the orange pair. Not going to go into a whole lot of detail and like an official review of these things, only because they are virtually identical to the pear greens. So if you did see that video, make sure you guys are checking that out over on the channel. I did a nice thorough unboxing and review of those, but this is just going to be a little bit more quick. Like I said, virtually the identical pair. It's just, you know, different color, obviously. So let us get into it. So my personal opinion is I actually like these a little bit better than the green pair. Very dope. Actually, I got the green pair right here. So let me just quickly take this out real quick. That way I can just show you guys side by side as well. So here is the orange. Here is the green. Let's do this real quick. So here's the green pair right here. Like I said, part of the 3-pack. So green, least limited. Orange, second most limited. Released on HUF and also tier 0 stores, as well as some skate shops, stuff like that. These were on sneakers. These were on pretty much every single website you can think of. They're still sitting on sneakers currently right now. So if you want that green pair, go ahead and go over to the sneakers app and pick yours up right now. And then the third was the pink pair, which was HUF exclusive and Japan exclusive as well. So they released on the HUF website worldwide. If you struck out on there, they released in the store in Japan. But green, orange, green, orange. Let me know down below in the comment section what you guys like personally better. And I think I definitely like the orange a little bit better. Really gives a nice vibrant pop with this orange. And like I said, exact same materials, same exact shoe pretty much as the green pair. So overall, you're gonna get some nice nubuck. You're gonna get some nice little, you know, suede motion going on right there. Around the back of the heel tab, you're gonna get that nice Nike Air stitched right there. Really nice tumbled leather over on the swoosh. You're going to get that obviously on the outside right here, as well as the instep right there as well. Nice tumbled leather. That crackled leather is going to go all the way around the toe box, wrapping up to the back of the heel. Nice crackled leather. It's not as prominent on this pair, I will say, so that's just something that you will note when you get your pairs in hand. Going over to the laces, you do have that nice... you know, I would call this like piping, right? So the orange piping on that flat black lace, it's actually like a flat oval lace. So you got the black with the orange, and then they do come with an extra set of just flat black laces. Mine's coming apart, but there you have that there. What you also get included is the little hang tag right here of the dog from the owner's dog right there. Nice little metal hang tag. I did mention that previously in the other video, but it is a nice touch that they did include that. Overall, your insole is going to be nice and a thick insole. You're going to get that HUF with the white check branding on the inside right there. Nice sock liner, nice felt sock liners, at least that's what it feels like. Over on the tongue, you get the nice HUF branding with the Air Max and that pop of orange right there. Outsole, black and gray outsole, and then you're going to get the orange peeking through over around the toe right there. So, like I said, guys, overall, really dope collab. I do like the orange pair, but I don't know. I don't know if I want to keep both pairs or if I just want to keep the orange. I'm still debating on which ones I want to keep. But great shoe. It's going to be very comfortable. Go true to size. I went with my true to size 11.5 in these things because Air Max 1s, for the most part, you know, they fit true to size. So if you are interested in buying these things, make sure you stick true to size. They fit perfect. And other than that, guys, very quick unboxing and review. Just wanted to get that out of the way for you guys. It's a 3-pack. All 3 are going to be the exact same materials. It's just going to be different colorways. So green, orange, and pink. Pretty simple when it comes to that. But let me know what your favorite part of the pack is. Is it the green, is it the orange, or the pink? Mine's going to be the orange, but let me know your thoughts down below in the comment section. And also let me know, guys, if you did pick any of these up. Were you able to secure your pair of any of them? Obviously, the green pair is still sitting, but did you pick that orange or the pink up? Let me know down below. And if you did enjoy today's video, guys, make sure you guys are smashing that like button. Please subscribe to the channel if you are new around here. And don't forget to hit the bell so you're going to get notified every time I upload one of these bangers. And with all that being said, guys, my name is Dylan. You guys just chilled with Dill, and I'm out. Peace.